Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Shahad with you. In this video, now I discuss about the difference between LED and CFL bulbs. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. Difference between LED and CFL bulbs. LED stand for light emitting diode. The LED bulb has a PN junction diode which produces light when on a electric current passes through it. In LED bulb, when forward base is applied to the PN junction, the recombination of charge carriers takes place. The result of this recombination of charge carriers is the emission of light and heat. CFL stands for compact fluorescent lamp. The CFL lamp emits light by the ionization of mercury vapor. In CFL, the ionized low pressure mercury vapor produce UV rays. The UV rays coiled with the phosphor coating and hence visible light in produced by the lamp. In this video, we will discuss about the difference between CFL and LED bulb. Difference between LED and CFL bulbs. LED stand for light emitting diode. CFL stand for compact fluorescent lamp. LED is a solid state lamp. CFL is a gas discharge lamp. LED produce light by the recombination of charge carriers at a PN junction. CFL emits light by the ionization of mercury vapor. LED lamps produce less amount of heat. Emission of heat is more in case of CFLs. LED lamp has a PN junction which emit light when electric current passes through it in the forward direction. In CFL, when the electric current is applied, the mercury vapor get ionized and produce UV rays which coiled with the phosphor coating is produce visible light. LED bulbs are more efficient. For example, maximum amount of input energy is converted into light. CFL lamps are less efficient because a large portion of input energy is wasted in form of heat. The LED bulbs have longer life span around 50,000 hours or more. The lifespan of CFL is around 10,000 hours. LED bulb of same rating produce more bright light. For the same rating, the CFL produce light with less brightness. LED lamp quickly reach to their red intensity. CFL requires some delay after turning on to reach the rated intensity because the mercury vapor take time to get ionized. LED lamp consume less power. CFL lamp consume more power because it involves the ionization of mercury vapor which requires more power. LED lamps do not contain mercury, thus they do not harm the human health and environment. CFL contains mercury in the form of vapor inside the glass tube which affect the health of living beings. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.